Hi, in this video we are going to solve a sum based on the Pythagoras Theorem. The sum here states that an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1800 km per hour. At the same time, another airplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at the speed of 2400 km per hour. How far apart will the two planes be after 30 minutes? So, as you can read in the question, we are told that two planes take off at the same time from the same airport. One of the plane flies north at a speed of 1800 km per hour and the other plane flies west at a speed of 2400 km per hour. Now, if we consider point Q to be the airport, then when the two planes fly west and north respectively, a right angle is formed at point Q. We are asked to find the distance between the planes after 30 minutes. So, if we consider the airplane flying north to reach point R after 30 minutes and the airplane flying west to reach point P after 30 minutes, then we have to find the distance between points P and R. So as you can see now, PQR is a right angled triangle. And so to find PR, we can use the Pythagoras Theorem. Before we go ahead and apply this theorem, first we need to find out the distances between points PQ and points QR. We know the speed of the airplanes between these points. So, by using the formula distance is equals to speed into time, we can get the distances easily. First, we'll find the distance between points Q and R. As we saw earlier, we have considered point Q to be the airport. First plane flies north at the speed of 1800 km per hour from point Q and reaches point R after 30 minutes. Then, since distance is equals to speed into time, we can say that distance is equals to 1800 km per hour into 30 minutes. But since 1800 km per hour is nothing but 1800 km per 60 minutes, we can say that distance is equals to 1800 km per 60 minutes into 30 minutes. On simplification, we get distance is equals to 900 kilometers. And so, we can say that the distance between points Q and R is 900 kilometers. Similarly, the second plane flies north at the speed of 2400 km per hour and reaches point P after 30 minutes. Then, by using the formula distance is equals to speed into time, we can say that distance is equals to 2400 km per hour into 30 minutes. Since 2400 km per hour is nothing but 2400 km per 60 minutes, we can say that distance is equals to 2400 km per 60 minutes into 30 minutes, which gives us distance is equals to 1200 kilometers. And so we can say that the distance between points P and Q is 1200 kilometers. So now in right angle triangle PQR, we have the measures of side PQ and QR, and we need to find out the measure of side PR. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem to this triangle, we get PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. PQ, as we just calculated, is 1200 kilometers and QR is 900 kilometers. So by substituting these values, we get PR square equals to 1200 kilometers the whole square plus 900 kilometers the whole square, which gives us PR square equals to 14,40,000 plus 8,10,000 kilometers square. This gives us PR square equals to 22,50,000 kilometers square. Now, by taking square root of both the sides, we get PR equals to plus or minus 1500 kilometers. But since length can never be negative, we can say that PR equals to plus 1500 kilometers. Hence, the two planes are 1500 kilometers apart after 30 minutes. So that's it for today. Hope you have liked the session. You can also now check out our courses available on our website www.letstute.com. If you want more such sessions, then do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning.